Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to invert controls on your controller. If you find this video helpful, then please consider subscribing to the channel and help us reach our milestone of 1000 subscribers. Okay, so let's dive in. Now, just click over here on settings on top right. Go over to settings. Now from here, go on controller. Select combat. Now, click on this plus icon right beside this advanced. Okay. Now here you can see toggle on this switch, invert horizontal look, invert vertical row on this, and that's it. You're good to go. So that's it for the video. That's how you can invert controls on your controller. Thanks for watching.